the reason why I've made this a cassette 50 is because PETSCI Matrix, which is on the screen now, was originally meant to be another cassette 50 game, but it was too big. When I'd done it, it was too big. But I had a thought yesterday. So I had a thought the other day that I could make another another cassette 50 game using this code by tweaking it. And what I was thinking of was a centipede clone, because that's what Grid Runners effectively is. And I reckon we've got 80% of the code there. And so what I thought we could do was take a copy of this and hack it to bits to make a centipede clone. We've got most of the codes there. We've got the snake code. We've got the ship code. We've got the pods. We've got the pod code. So we effectively could hack it and... Yeah, I think Centipede's a cool game. And so that's what I'm going to try and do in this stream, is take a copy of this code, hack it to bits, and see if we can make a centipede. So let me copy it. Here we go. So that's a copy, just in case I get any noises. That's a copy. So we'll do it for the 64 first. So we'll go into there, into workspace. We'll change... No, we won't change that. There's no relative. Good. But here we will, because it's no longer matrix. It's ped. Pesky ped. Like centipede. Shift that out of the way a bit. So, hopefully, if we rename this down here... Right. So, it's a thing now just to hack it to bits. So, let's see what we can... Right, initialize game we'll need. Title we'll need. Drawing, entering danger zone. I suppose we could keep that. Now, drawing the grid, we don't need that. We don't need to draw a grid, but we'll need to set out the screen like we did with the PET version. So it's just a quick... So we're in setup. So So danger zone we're keeping. Drawing grid, this is the bit that we don't need, and I think all we need is the drawing horizontal. Yeah, that's all we need, is draw the horizontal, draw the vertical, because so we can get rid of that, get rid of all this, and all we need to do is just draw the vertical. So basically it's going to be an invisible screen. So where we've got the screen char, here we go, 96. So that's what we need to do. Screen char is always going to be 96 no matter what version it is. So we can get rid of all that and bring that back. So that's going to set up the screen. Right, back to here. So we're setting up materialize ship. Do we need that? Do we need that? I'll rem it out. Place the ship. That's where we put the ship on the screen. Get the settings for the levels. I want to keep that in because we're going to change it, because the the settings is for the snakes and how many there are, and the thing, and the delay for the vertical and horizontal lasers. But we're not going to need half of that stuff, because all we're going to need is we need the snake code for the centipede to go around down the screen. We need a obstacle generator, so the pod generator, I reckon it should be on the screen. Our controls, get rid of the edge ships. We need the pods. I want to keep the bomb controlling because I want to add a bit of daring, where we have to dodge bombs and stuff like that. Now I don't know whether we're gonna make the snake drop bombs or what, but I think we should keep that code and just try and see if we can do it. So let's get rid of this. Let's tidy this up. So game controls, get rid of the edge ships, get rid of the lasers, pod control, bomb control. Yeah, we'll keep that in. So we're getting rid of edge ships, lasers. Get SIDS. Let's see if it runs. Well, it's built. Ooh, do we still want high res? So danger zone, the ship. Right, so that's the thing that we need to sort out. Are we going to do iRes? Let's not do iRes. Let's just take that out for the moment. Let's just do it as a normal PETSCI game. Right. Entering danger zone. We don't. That's it. There's the ship, and then the snakes start. Right. Right. How much is that? Still loads. Absolute bucket loads in there. So we can't do the materialized ship, so we can take that stuff out. Seeing we've remmed it out, might as well get rid of it. What else can we take out? Let's see, what else? 14. Oh yes. Oh yes. Hang on. Set up. Memory. Where is it? Here we go. Right. So we are doing B0s of text. So that's. Oh, let's work that out. B0. 176 bytes for the snake. Now, how many bytes should we have? What's the constants? Must have it in here somewhere. Oh, did I not make that a constant? Oh, that's naughty. Surely I did. Oh, number of active snakes. That's what it is. But how do I'm scanning backwards, so how do I know? Okay. So what we can do is, oh, memory, where is it? What we can do is we can move, you know, bring this back. So instead of being BO, we could make it 80, 128 bytes. But that's still 256. So that's 128. So 64. That's going to be 1.5 lines worth of snake. So hang on. So AO is 100. No, that's 160, isn't it? What's 100 then? 96. Brain failed me. 64. Right. Right, so that should reduce down the number of bytes we're using. It's the snake array is the biggest byte eater of them all. Yeah. When in doubt, rem it out, yeah. So that, right, let's see how much that's brought back. 13D8, 13D6. Now, we're talking 300 bytes. Now, there is an area that's around, I'm trying to think now. Trying to think, where's my, trying to think where to put the stuff in memory. Right, so that's all there, the game constants, that's what I'm looking for. So this, no it's not, it's game storage, here we go. Right, so I'm storing all that stuff in O2A7. So all this is stored in O, but there's not a lot there. I'm sure I could bring that back. Where's my mapping? Where are you? So I'm just wondering if 0300. Right, so that's the vectors. O2 to 03, all of that can be used. Even if the kernel's still switched on. Because I'm printing, aren't I? I use the print routine to print. But they're up 200 to 258. Stop it. Table for file numbers. See, I'm not using files. So that takes us to 276. What's after that? That's the keyboard buffer. Well, we're not using the keyboard buffer. Start of memory. Okay, so we could get up to 280. So that's 128 characters there. 128 bytes we could use there. You need to kill the... I'm not doing the Mega 65. I haven't got the time. Work's taking too much time up. So there's so we could store one set in there, and then we could store in 033C. Yeah, to the end. So how much is that? What's after that? Oh, it's unused. 033C. Oh, 400. Oops. So that's 196 bytes there, straight off the bat. So we could use 0200 to 0280. $100 to 180. Yeah, could. Okay, let's work this out. So how many bytes did I assign it? Let's have a look. 60. 100. Now, do I need 100? Is 100? Why do I need 100? I don't, because 180 is effectively 2 screen lines, but we're not having full length. It's 38. So, say 2 lines. Yeah. So, if we have 2 lines, that's 38. So that's what, 76. 76. We could get away with that. We could get away with that. Right, let's shift this out from there. And we'll put it in game storage with the rest of it. So I'm going to put the control array. In there. Then, oh, hang on, I've forgotten something. Then so we're doing 80, 80. So 64 plus 16. Yeah, I know you can't fill. But it allocates the bytes. It's not going to actually fill the memory. It's just allocating the bytes, yeah? right? Calculator. Right, if we say 80, that's 50. Oh, that's bags of space. We could even do 90. 5A. Now, I'll do 6.3. So that takes us to 163.263. Right. Is that going to cause us a problem if we go to 6.26? No, it's 2.8. So we're all right there. And then 033C. Oh, this is going to work. Right. I ain't figured out how to do that listen yet, mate. No one will tell me how to do it. So no, I ain't figured it out yet. Let's make this more interesting on here. That'll do. Right, so this is now made all that virtual. So in the setup, we've got to game constants. What we need to in here is right. So we can do that now up here. Just in case we need to change it. Oh, that keyboard gets very busy. Hang on, let's turn the light out so you can see it. There we go. Can you see it better now? There we go. But I'm a bit dark now. Hang on. Let's knock it all the way down. There we go. I'll keep on for a bit. I've got to stop looking down. Right. So I need in the game setup, and we need it on the, I think I need it on the activate level. Activate level. Unless I've already got it already on here. Activate game. No. But do I need to? Do I need to? Don't look down, what's the point? Yeah. Right. Now, I'm using 0200 to 064, so our virtual memory of 02A7 is still intact. Okay. Let's see if this still works. Ooh. Is not present or value. Really? Really? I wonder if I need to no, it's up here. hang on. No. Better put it back. I forgot I put it in the namespace. And I can't be bothered to go and hunt them out. Right. Let's see if... but that's... No. Gonna have to put in there. Right. So memory dash dot snake. Whoa, lots of them. Well, we don't need to worry about that one. Can I do a global replace? Yes, I can. Replace it with storage. Oh, that is really... Right, replace it with storage snake. Go. Right, F6. Snake length. Yeah, I know. I'm thinking of renaming it. I've just got to figure out where snake length is. Was that under memory, snake length? Oh, yes, it was. Not bothered about that. Go. Right, come on. I spelt it wrong. Game setup. I've got that up here. What line is it? 278. There we go. Does it still run? Right. That is working. And my back's killing me. Why? There we go. Right, so where do we go? How have we 500 bytes still? I may get rid. Right, so I'm gonna have to drop the bomb. Drop the bomb. Don't have anything bombing back. Can't unless I don't have the pods. What happens if I don't have the pods? If I don't have the pods, Yeah. Well, let's see if we can get rid of some of this startup code. Title screen, yes, we need that. Clear the game area, yes, we need that. Enter the danger zone. Well, that's the level indicator, isn't it? Draw the lines. Game setup. Activate the game. Prepare the game. What is that doing? Well, we don't need that because that's the edge. That is the edge. Now we're going to get an error. Here we go, entering danger zone. (108). Oh, it clears the screen. Clears the screen. So let's get rid of some of this. What are we doing? Switched. Yeah. I know. I'm just thinking. I'm just gonna get it in. Don't have a cow, man. Right. So we can do this. So we can run that. Clear the game area. So do that. Yeah. Get rid of that at the bottom. Right. What are we doing? Yep, that's worked. Now, what's a £5 keyboard? Have you seen the mat? It changes colour, look. How cool is that? Ah, dear. Right. I was gonna buy the mouse with all the RGB on it as well. There's nothing wrong with being a 12-year-old. Right, so there's a byte here, but we don't need that. So we don't need the machine specific thing. Right. And fire control. So the bombs. Now, I was thinking of having, as the centipede goes backwards and forwards, that it may drop a bomb. But depends how much code it takes. How much code does it take for the what's the worst offender? Well, the snake takes a lot up. Oh, we've still got laser control in there. Why have we got laser control in there? I thought we took that out. Yeah, we did. How are you getting in there? There's snake. Bomb. Right. Sid will take out. Oh dear. Why is laser in there? Laser shouldn't be in there. Right, let's see if we broke it. No. I've got to figure out why laser's still showing. We took it out of there. Laser control still being brought in. How? What are we assembling? Here we go. Oh, in snake. Okay. Need to look at all my headers. Right. No. 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 Oh, edge shifts don't matter. Fire control. Lasers. Level. Still loading the SID in. Let's just get rid of that. Snake. Right. Oh, wrong one. It's better. 95 snake. So we don't want that. Ooh. We want that. That's utils. Right, are we still working? Yep. Right, what have we got down to now? 11 CE. Still got the SID stuff in there though. Game setup, that's probably the offender. Right. Right, we're still working. So, what else can we get rid of? So, fire control, that's us shooting, so we can't get rid of that. Utilities, I don't think there's anything in there I can get rid of. I think that's all needed. Yeah. Right. Oh, 280 bytes to reclaim. Okay. Well, it's not going to be PETSCI matrix anymore. It is. PETSCI PED. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 40 minus 12. 30, 28, 14. No. Yeah, 14. Oh, wrong way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 40 minus 12 is 30, 28. Divided by 2 is 14. Oh, I'll leave it there. It's offset. It's off center, isn't it? It's not in the center, it's off center. Where's the rest of it? Oh, I know why. Mate. Morning. Right, let's see. Are we still working? Yes. You had your coffee yet, mate? Right, we sort of broke it, but I'll have to fix it. I'm trying to get it down to below the 1000 mark. Chopping stuff out, so it looks like I'm going to have to get rid of the bombs. So it looks like we can't get the game, not going to get the games to do the. But then it's the pods. Maybe it's just pod control. Because that's what 80 odd bytes. I mean, the game memory's the killer. That's a point. We don't need all this lot. So how many levels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. We'll get rid of this. We don't need 32 levels. So this is saying one snake of 6 characters. And we don't need this delay laser fire because we've got rid of the lasers. Right, here we go. So one snake of 6, 2 snakes of 2 centipedes. 2 centipedes. So let's see. 1, 2, let's do it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of 8. Yeah. So 2, 3 of 6, 2 of 8. We want to make it get worse, so let's say 3 of 8, 4 of 8, 5, 5 of 9, 6, 6, 7, 7 9s are 70. And we've got 100, haven't we? So that's, we've got another 30 we could put in. It's another 3 snakes effectively. But we can drop it down. Yeah, let's do that. Drop it down. 5, 6, 70. 10. Oh no, that's a good one. Ooh, yes, 16 of 3. 16 of 3. So we'll do the same. Oh no. 16. 16 of 4. Now we can't do that, but we could do 6 of 16. That should be within striking distance. Let's have a look. $96. Ooh, close. That should do it. But we'll make that OE, and then that. Right. Right, how much space have we saved? What's going on here? Memory delay for laser fire. Oh yeah. 74 in PED line 74. Oh, game setup. Don't need that. Have we? Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. But we've got an issue. Got an issue. Yeah, why is that doing that? Seven times 9. Yeah, of course it's 61. Sort the bugs out once we get it below the magic number. So let's get rid of the bomb control. So we're not dropping any bombs. Where's that? Game setup, line 380. Huh? Oh, 308. Oh, dear. What am I doing in level complete? Okay. What else can I take out? That's a lot of code. Just for the level complete. That is a lot of code. What am I doing? There's no way on this planet that generates that. on earth? Number of snakes. Jump to next level. Oh, this is death. Death control. I bet I ain't got a thingy on death control. No, I haven't. I was going to say, how come it's taking so much memory? There we go. So it's the death control that's taking a lot of stuff up. Right, what am I doing in there then? Putting the character back in position. Exploding the ship. Doing the high score. Do I need to do the high score? Do I need to do the high score? How much bytes we got to play with? Oh, 46. It's a lifetime away. Yeah. I mean, all it does is does the explosion. I think it says press play. But I don't think we need to do the high score test, to be honest. Let's just take it out. Right. Oh, 27. We're in the realms of optimization now. In the realms of optimization. Right. First things first. Why is the snake not blanking out the last thing? Let's have a look. I wonder it's because it's not been reset. Right, so the control is at 1000. Sorry, 100, which is this here. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, fire. And I hit it. Yeah. Yeah. I think we're gonna have to do a clean out of that memory. So, game setup. So snake, do a clean out of the memory. I know I'm adding bytes. I know I'm adding bytes. It's got to be done. Ooh, no, the row and column, doesn't need to worry about that. It's just the control. Right, DEY, branch shift plus to looper RTS. So we need, when we activate, we need to clear out this snake memory, so we'll do it there. Right, see if that resolves the problem. Hi, Docster. Oh, it's not memory, it's storage, isn't it? There we go. Oh. Okay then, sir. You think you can beat me, do you? Right, so we should wipe out. It should go to 0, this lot. There we go. Oh, right, okay. I see what the problem is. This should be reading 41,080, 4280, but it's not. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's load that back in. Right, so we've got an 80 there. How many we got? Pause. How do I pause this thing? Nope, F10. Stupid question, John. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So why is the 7th one being read? Okay. Where's the fire button? Yeah, it's put the 41 there. Where's the 80? Right. Oh, is it there? Is there two? Fire control. Oh, I haven't got rid of the pods yet, have I? Right. Did we hit the body? Right, let's put a breakpoint there. So I want to find out what's going on. Da, 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 da. And 48 bytes to lose. I've already put a bug in it. So we need to hit the body. See if I can hit the body. Boom. Right. Let's see what we get up to. Well, that's adding the points. Ooh, O2B7. 6, that's right. O33C. There we go. Now it's found the row. Now it's finding the column. Which one did we? Right. So that's just read 2. Branch if not equal. Go to here. No, it's not. Hand it with 40. No. 40. Yes. Store it there. Okay, that's right. Oh. Where is that going? That's loaded 36. Where's that? Why has that done that? Oh. How can I force this to not be 0 page? How can I force this not to be 0 page? Anybody know? Dot L. Like that. Ah. 0 page absolute. There we go. So it's ay dot ay or dot ax. What am I using? Am I using x? Yeah, I'm using x. So it's dot ax. Right. Is there any other places? Yeah, this will be here as well. Control array. Control array. It's only on the minus ones. Right, let's see if that solves the problem. Right. Who's making bloatware? Not for the snake array anyway. There we go. Right, let's see if it sorts it now. Find where I hit it. There it is. Load A. No. Go and find the next one. No. Yep, thank you. Load that. Load the X. Or it. Store it. Load. That's better. That is better. Or it. Store it. There we go. Fixed it. Just because it did 0 page. What a waste of time. Right. Now we've got it back working again. So, the problem is I have got memory. Not there. Storage, where are we? Here. I've got all that lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 72 to, so that's 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I've got 39 0 page locations. Now I'm using, well, in the 64 sense, I'm using 0, I'm using 2 and 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So we could, where's my memory map? Let's see, where can I, basic's been mapped out. So basically I could, if I wanted to, start there at 10. But hang on, that's That is... Oh, go away. 73. 8A. $17. Can I go before? Yes. What's after? Ooh, random seed. Well, we don't use that. Oh, we can't go beyond 90. Okay. So I could start at 70 and have everything in 0 page. What do you mean no? Yeah, but I'm not running the program from 70. I'm not inserting any code from there. I'm not inserting any code. You was inserting code at that point. All I'm doing is I'm saying I want to use that space. The random will update. What, this? Okay, well, you go before then. We'll start at 6. We'll start at 60. 60 to 80, that's 32 bytes. Well, in fact, we could go before that. 50. Yeah, we can do 50. You went down to... Yeah, I mean 50 to 80. I think that's what it went up to, wasn't it? 80, before we get into the danger zone. Yeah, 8B is the danger zone. So that should be enough memory space. So if we can recompile this now, all the variables should be in 0 page. Do we still work? Come on. There we go. And where do we get? There we go. Look at that. Get in there. Get in there. Right, now we've got a place to start from. So there's a lot of optimization to go on. And because there's no sound yet. So yeah, and we've only got what, 120, 116, no, 112 bytes I think left. So there's going to be a lot of optimization in there. So the first thing we're going to optimize is we're going to cut down on the screen text, right? So instead of it saying old school coder presents, we're just going to do OSK presents. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we'll leave it at that. So we'll get rid of that lot and that. So OSK presents, and we'll have just press space. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, 39, 38, divided by, no, 28, 14. We'll leave that as it is. So that has now knocked us some more bytes off. Yeah, down to 77. ENTDZ0. Right. Now, we need to add in the pod. We need a way of creating pods. We need a way of creating pods. And what I was thinking of the pods is, because we're using PETSCI characters, was using the full space, the reverse space, and then using all the characters that make it go smaller and smaller and smaller every time you hit it. So where's that website? Where's that website? It's that one, isn't it? Here we go. So we're talking this here. So we'd start at 160. Right, better write this down. So we'd start at 160, which is the full square, and then work his way down. So that's going to be 228, 239, 249, 226, 120, 119, 99, and then we're using 96 as the space. Right. So we need to change this. I'm optimizing too much. Right. I'm trying to remember. The end character would have been the end character would have been the one. Okay, so 160 is the full one. 228, 239, 249, 226, 120, 119, 99, 96. Yeah. So that's the one. So now we need a way of creating the pods. We need a way of creating the pods. So, because we've got no lasers to create the pods now, so we're going to have to... Oh, he optimised his finger shorter. Right. So we've got this decay. We've got this decay here. And I think we can use this decay routine to do it because yeah, we can use the decay system to do it because we're not going to yeah, because what I want to do is we need to set up the screen with pod blocks. Yeah, so like in Centipede, when you run it, it has blockings in place. So we need to do that. So so that's the decay routine, and we could use that. Right, so we can use this and create another routine to do it. So we'll come down here. Right, so this one is refresh pods. Right, we don't need that. Now we need a randomizer. Need a randomizer. Let me nick one from... Oh, this is raiding a blast from the past. Use the kernel random. How? Every time I've used the random, it cocks up. Okay, no, okay, we'll use the random. Where is it? Where is it? Where did I use a randomizer routine? Yeah. I used a randomizer in my game that I did that I have not shown you guys yet. Where is it? There it is. Randomizer, where are you? Oh, that's the clock. I made my own clock and it didn't work very well. Randomizer. So is it this? EO97. That's what I... But it puts it in the floating point accumulator. Okay. Yeah, but it's a decimal number. So it's a decimal number. It's not a whole number. So we'd have to multiply it up. Right. The bottom byte of the floating point accumulator. Is that what you're saying? Or are you talking about this? So 8B to 8F is where the random number is stored, yeah? That's the seed. Right, okay. So we're looking at 66. But I can't, because I've just overwritten that with my data. So I'm going to have to go back to the sound chip way. Hang on, where is that? Where did I put that? And that ain't it. Oh, where did I put it? Where did I put that book? Aha. Oh, that looks better. Here we go. Here we go. Put it in utils. The Grey Defender random generator. Right. So we'll use that. We'll use that. So JSR utils init random. And then what we're going to do is for every spot on the screen, we're going to run the randomizer. Now that, I think, yeah, it's an LDA. So I want a 1 in 4 chance. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's a 1 in 4 chance. So and it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And we will compare it. No, we'll compare it with 0. If it's 0, then that's it. So branch if not equal to, and we bypass. So LDA hash, no, LDA, that byte there. So we want, oh, that's not meant to be there. It's meant to be there. To be honest, don't need that either. There's some more bytes saved. Right, so we'll grab that and we'll say that we'll load the first one and we're going to store it. So that's going to be memory. So we store it, then we do the bypass. Do that. Increase the 0 page, blah, 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 blah. Right. So we have a 1 in 4 chance of putting a block on the screen. So let's see if that does it. So game setup. We activate the game, clear the array. Oh, no. Here. So activate the game is the last thing we do. So we clear the array, put loads of stuff on the screen. Right, let's see if we get any blocks in. Ooh, you little... What? put it? Oh, is it capital P? Oh, capital POD. Hopefully, we'll get a screen with nothing on it. Oh dear. Let's do it the other way around. Let's see if we get a screen full. No. Okay, what's going on? Yeah, come on, hurry up. Right, so we've got FE. So we get 2. Branch if equal. Load it. Store it in O2. 0, 1, 2, 0, 5, 4, 0. Oh. Even you guys didn't see that. Even you guys didn't see that. Ugh, I've left the breakpoint in. That's better. There we go. That's what we want. So, well, obviously we've got some areas to sort out. Also, I think there's too many of them. So let's do a 1 in 8. So 1 in 8 chance we put a block. No. Remember Centipede, the blocks you have to blast away, don't you? Yeah? And that's what I'm going to try and do here, is that when the bullet hits the block, that it slowly eats it away, but the snake is avoiding all the blocks. So what I need for in the fire control, when we test for the pod, that it moves it on to the next one. Here, pod, is it a pod? Because I need it to... Yeah, because you don't want the snake getting stuck. So, if there's a block there, because because with random numbers, if we get 3 blocks like that, so the snake comes in, and there's a block there, and there's a block directly below, it'll just, and there's a block directly above, it'll just stop. So what I thought was that if it gets to there and there's a block directly below it, it just wipes it out, and just so it can carry on without us having to do any clever mathematics and jiggery pokery. So I need to find where... Is it a block? Is it a pod? Here we go. Where are you? Ah, here we go. So it comes back. Yes, it is. So in the fire... No pod hit. Right, pod hit by bullet. That's what I need. Pod hit by bullet. Here we go. X-Reg is the pod stage. Hello, John here. Someone's hosting my stream. Oh, next thing they'll be nicking my code. Oh, I forgot I did that one. Right. So, kicking. Kicking. Nicking. Right, so it's going backwards. It's going backwards. I have got my array the wrong way round. I've got my array the wrong way round. This. So it's 96, 99, 119, 120, 226, 249, 239, 228, 160. So I want that one. So when we put on, I want that one, back one. Right, let's try that. So hopefully now when I fire, those blocks should start getting eaten away. Alright, here we go. There we go. Right, so the snake needs to go convert into blocks. So when I hit the snake, I need to... Right, where am I? Create pod. Pod starting animate character. So don't want that. We want to do that. -1. And that's memory. Memory. Right. Okay. Here we go. F6. Yeah, we need to make sure it doesn't go on it, and also I need to update the ship collision detection routine. That's better. Got ya. Now, why is it slowing down when the fire button's on? Yeah. My character's got... Yeah, I need to make sure that I'm not putting a spot on the where the ship is. Pod. Because we do it at the end. So LDA that. Compare it with ship character branch if equal to bypass store. Why is it slowing down? It's because it runs through the fire cycle twice in one game cycle. So I might not need to do that. It's just to make the fire go quicker than everything else. Well, it's recording scores, so that's good. There we go. Oh, the score reset. So we need to clear out the bottom 2 rows. We need the snake to be able to find me. I need to be stopped by the blocks. So we need to update the collision. Ship. No, not Sid. Ship. So I need to update the collision. Oh, it's not in there, so it must be in controls. Okay. Get the character, the current ship. Ship's still there. Right, so I'm going to do this. So that's our original position. So we do the update and then we come and check here. Now, if the character, if the new position is not a grid character, we need to return back. So PLA, store it in. So the second item was X, ship.x. And we will, then we need to place it. Right, okay, so now I need to do this PLA, and hopefully that's going to stop us going in. Hopefully that will stop us going into a block. Right, I shouldn't move. Yep. Good, 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 good. Right, so I'm stuck, so I can't. Good, good, good. That's what we want. Right, so now the problem is the snake didn't eat me when it come to me, and it should have done. So why didn't that do that? That's what it was, wasn't it? AX. Well, no, that's not the control character, is it? I thought that was probably what was causing the problem. Where do we check? Where do we check? Where do we check? So that's the bullet collided with a snake. So where's the one where we test for us? Because we must do it. Where's that test for the grid? Where get. Control left. Get character. Here we go. So if it's going left. So this allows it to move, right? Okay, so we then need to test for branch if not equal to snake avoid. So here we need to load dead, I think it is. Dead flag. Level death. There we go. Right, that should kill us. See if we can get in the way. Yep, there we go. But it's still resetting the score. I mean, it still says I've got 4 ships, so there's definitely something going on there. That's got stuck in a loop now, hasn't it? Yeah. Right. So I need to figure out why the score's doing that. But I have a sneaky suspicion I know what it is. Oh, it's here, isn't it? It's that. So, let's do that instead. Right. Kebab, mate. How you doing? Right, let's see if we get scores. And keep it. Gosh, shoot him, shoot him. That's what we want. Shoot him again. Oh, and he went past me. Ah. Got him. Come on. Come to Papa. Ooh. Alright, I need to die, don't I? There we go. Right, side 1490. Yes, there we go. It's now doing it properly. Oh, I like the effect as well. That was a bit... Right, so what we need to do now is... 2 games for the prize of 1. Yeah. What we need to do now is we need to clear this and these 2 layers out of the where it puts the blocks on, and oh, did I get rid of it, or is it still there? Oh, I think it was in setup, wasn't it? Did I rem it out, or did I get rid of it? Oh, no, it's still there. Does that routine that's remmed out? What did the preparation? Right, okay, so it loads the top one, stores it, gets the location, wipes it out, loops round, and then confirms it to the bottom row. Well, the definitions are still there. Let's unrem that. Let's just try that out. So instead of doing... Yeah, so after we've done that... No. That's doing the entire screen. I don't want it to do the entire screen. How come I'm not in the... How come I'm not top? What is going on? Streamlabs cheater. Well, I could reset that. I could reset them points. How come I'm only 3rd? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. So, how am I going to do this? Yes, we could do that. Don't need to do the inner. Don't need to do the inner loop. So that does the edges. Don't need that inner loop. Right, let's see if that does the edges. Hey up, people are winning. I can. Oh, I'm gaining bytes by the bucket load. That's what I'm worried about. Here, dear. Right, okay, let's try this. If it is, load. $. Right, so I think it's 3 lines. So that's 28, 50, 78. O3 EB. Right, minus 78. So that's 70. Right, let's see if that stops before the bottom row. Oh, and I hit the wrong key again. Nope. Didn't like that one bit. God, you're going mental. Dear. 6502. Are you on the? Oh yeah, you are. 70,000. Oh dear. Banned. So why didn't this work? Why did that work? What's a keyboard? Oh, I haven't got racers. I wish I had. I wish I had those skills. Why doesn't this work? Where's the byte dump? Game setup somewhere in there. Hey, oh, why is the SID chip being? Why is the SID being loaded? They're all rimmed out. And of course I can't see it. Can't see where the dump file is. There we go. It's pods, isn't it? Yeah, that's where I want pod. Here we go. It's 0770, so that should work. Branch if not equal to if it's equal to 07, compare low with 70. I wonder if it's getting there. The raffle is built in. Is it? Dual slots, 8-ball, gamble, heist. Where's Are you sure? Are you sure raffles in there? I'm in Streamlabs, mate. Oh, did he? Hang on. Well, there's a heist mini game. I'll find it. I'll find it later. I'll find it later. I'm going look at doing a race plugin. Just need the API calls. Yeah, I mean I'm learning JavaScript at the moment, so It's going to take me a while to get into it. Okay, what happened there? That didn't break, did it? That's just wiped straight through. That did not break. Oh, what have I done? So it's not getting to that break point there. If it's not equal to that, then go back up to there. If it's equal, then come through here. But it's not getting to that point. See if it's getting to the... Yes. So it's getting to that one. Okay, so what's A set to? 0. Go. A's at 0 again. Well, that's gone way beyond. Why is that not dropping out? Helmets. Oh, I see why. That's why. There we go. But that's one row a bit short. So we'll add 28 to this, so that's going to be 98. That should be right above the ship. Yeah, there we go. Oh, missed him. Oh, jam, jam, jam. Got ya. Right, so I should get 2 snakes now. Right, okay, so what damage have we done putting all that lot in? Oh. Just to wipe out the rows. That is just a lot of memory. That is just to wipe out the rows. What can I do? Because we haven't even got any noises in yet. What's actually in the dump file? Let's just do this again. Let's find out what's in there. Right, pod controls. Right, let's rem out some of that stuff in there because we don't need all of it. So this is doing... Yeah, we don't need this. We're not doing the decay. Right. Pod decay, we're not doing that. So we can rem all this stuff out. Checking for pods. Let's see, pod found. Don't need all that, don't need all that. Don't need the pump, set up the pod bombs. We need that, I think. We need that, and we need that lot. Right, let's see if that still runs. Ooh. Yep, that's still running. Right then, guys. What I'm going to do is, it's 11 o'clock here, is we're in a state where we can, we've got some bytes, not many, but we have some. What I'll do in the meantime is I'll do a bit more optimization off camera, and then we'll try and add some rudimentary sound effects in there, to give the game a little bit of life rather than just being a silent. But it's looking like it looks like we could get Centipede or PETSCI fitting inside the 4K. And so this Grid Runner code has now made 5 games, now 6th game in the cassette. But we'll continue in this in the next stream, yeah? Alright. Well, thanks for joining me. Pity about the start of it when the computer decided to have a bit of a fit. But it's all working. It seems to be working alright now. Alright, so who's online? Proton's online. Shall we go and raid Proton? Here we go. Let's raid Proton. Well, thanks for joining me, guys. And I'll see you in the next stream. I'll see if I can do one at the weekend. Get this done. Alright. Take care. And I'll talk to you in a bit. I'd like to thank all the Patreons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.